Hello, I'm Extra Life, and this is the Super 16. It's a new control voltage sequencer for the Uerorack synth format. Super 16 makes it easy to create bass lines, melodies, and rhythm patterns of up to 64 steps. It has patch memory for 99 sequences with instantaneous loading and playback that keeps your rhythms in sync. It also features portamento, motion recording, selectable scale quantization, and a host of real-time rhythm manipulation and pitch effects that make it a joy to improvise and perform live with. All this is achieved through a simple but powerful interface that has individually selectable and editable steps and has one knob per function access to pitch, octave, gate duration, and auxiliary control voltage parameters. I've been developing the Super 16 independently for over a year and sharing updates about it on YouTube. Now that I've reached a high level of development and feature completion, I need your help to make it a reality. I've redesigned the electronics for easier assembly, finalized the feature set, and I'm ready to move from programming to production, and that means I need your support and funding. Your pledge on Kickstarter will get the Super 16 out of my workshop and into your modular synth. You can support the project in a number of ways. You can buy the complete Super 16 module assembled and ready to go in your Uerorack setup. Just plug and play. For the more adventurous among you, it will also be available as a through-hole PCB and panel set with a pre-programmed microcontroller so that you can assemble it yourself from parts. I couldn't be more excited to share this project with you. With your help, we can take the Super 16 across the finish line and start making some beautiful music together. Thanks so much for your support.